everybody, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this property, like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities, and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the hotel location, nearby attractions, and landmarks are also provided here. More than 1,000 occupants of this hotel in Agoda.com. Rating is 7.4, which is the very good category one. You can see on the screen more details like room size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and packages, etc. Six. Seven. Category 8. The amenities of this hotel, as you can see on the screen. This property 10 type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. Location of the hotel is fine in case to fully enjoy the beautiful surrounding. In time in this hotel is 4 p.m. Time of this hotel is 10 a.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this hotel, along with different plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment in the review or booking with more details about this hotel. Please go to link in description. Stay in this hotel. Please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel.